Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to reset your team on Fantasy Premier League. So, the first question and the main question is, can you really reset your team on Fantasy Premier League? The answer is yes. What you're going to do for that is you're going to delete your account and create a new team all over again. This is the only method, and you cannot do it with the Premier League app. So you're gonna use the browser, anyone you prefer. I'm using Google Chrome as of now, and you're gonna enter the official site of Fantasy Premier League. So after you're inside, you need to log in, and after you're on this page, you're gonna click the Pick Team navigation button. So after you are here, you're gonna scroll down a little to delete your team, and at the bottom you'll see admin, and below admin there will be user profile. So you click on that, and it will lead to you a different page, and after you scroll down a little, you'll see delete your account right here. This will be the permanently deleted account, and after you click on that, they'll ask for your password, and after you enter your password, you need to confirm it, and it will be activated once you reconfirm or re-enter your password if you want to log in again. But after 21 days, your account will be permanently deleted and you cannot recover it ever again. So after you click on password and confirm password, your account will be deleted, and after 21 days it will be deleted permanently. So this is how you delete your account. So to create a new account, I've already taught you guys in my next or the previous videos. You can check that out, and that is how you reset your team on Fantasy Premier League. So I told you already that this is possible and you can do it as many times as you want. So this is how you delete or update or even reset a team on Fantasy Premier League. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.